Okay, be honest. You've tried ChatGPT once or twice, right? But is that it? Are you missing out on the AI revolution that could be saving you hours every single week? Large language models are way more than just chatbots. They're changing how we write, plan, and even think. If you're not using them daily, you're working harder than you need to. Let's fix that right now, and today I'm showing you exactly how, so stick around. But here's the thing. We all know AI can do these things. We nod and say, yeah, that's cool. But how many of us are actually using it every day? Not enough. Maybe you think it's not good enough yet, or it hallucinates. Sure, it's not perfect. Maybe you tried it years ago and gave up. But I'm here to tell you, it's time to give AI a second chance. Just ask it to help, judge the results, and watch how it changes your life for the better. In this video, we'll explore how LLMs can fit into your daily routine, whether you're at work or home, and I'll show you how to think about use cases that matter to you. We'll look at examples like helping HR professionals, job seekers, managers, and even everyday tasks like shopping or planning a workout, and much, much more. Plus, we'll wrap up with how to use AI responsibly so it enhances your life without taking over, and some bonus tips. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first. How do you figure out where LLMs can help you? Listing every possible use case would take forever. Think days or a full course. Instead, I want to give you a way to think about it. It's all about spotting opportunities in your own life. Here's a simple framework. 4 questions to ask yourself. 1. What do I do over and over that feels repetitive? Writing similar emails? Tracking schedules? AI loves and masters repetition. 2. Where do I waste time digging through info or making choices? Comparing prices online? Reading long reports? Looking for news or doing research? AI can process data fast. 3. What tasks could use a creative boost? Need gift ideas or a script outline? Make presentation or website mockups? AI's a brainstorming buddy. 4. How can I communicate better or faster? Polishing a resume? Summarizing emails? Or even automating email replies? AI's got your back. Let's say you're a busy parent, student, or a working professional. You might think, I'm always planning meals. An LLM could suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge. Or maybe you're a student buried in research papers. AI can summarize them for you. The trick is to look at your day and ask, where could AI save me time or effort? That's your starting point. As we go through examples, keep this framework in mind. Jot down 1 or 2 tasks you do regularly. I'll bet AI can help with at least one of them. But before you identify any used case for yourself, just start using them for different random things. The more you make yourself aware of their capabilities, the more you can understand where they can be useful for you. Let's kick things off with work. LLMs can be game changers for professionals, and I'll show you how with some common roles. HR professionals. Picture Sarah, an HR manager drowning in resumes. She uses GPT-4 from OpenAI to analyze them, extracting skills, experience, and even suggesting interview questions tailored to each candidate. It's like having a super assistant. She also feeds company policies into Anthropic's Claude, which summarizes them into key points, saving her hours of reading. Job seekers. If you're hunting for a job, imagine an AI agent scanning listings for you. Tools like ChatGPT can tweak your resume tailoring applications to specific job descriptions. Just paste the listing and your draft, and it adjusts keywords for ATS-optimized discovery of your resume. This ensures candidates stand out in competitive markets. AI can assist in crafting cover letters by integrating job postings and resumes to produce compelling narratives. This increases the likelihood of catching recruiters' attention. You can also prepare for your interview questions, from asking what questions to prepare from to what answers would make a better impact. even taking care of the right tone to use. But remember, your own perspective and ideas fused into the answers makes all the difference. Want automation? Some platforms pair LLMs with APIs to apply to jobs based on your criteria, notifying you when it's done. It's not perfect yet, but it's a time saver worth trying. Managers. Managers like Tom have to write performance reviews. He uses Google's Gemini to draft comments based on employee stats, great teamwork, boosted sales by 10%, then edits them himself. Summarize codes and explain errors to clients more effectively with little coding knowledge without running after his team for answers. For his overflowing inbox, Gemini or GPT-4 can summarize email threads into bullet points, so Tom stays on top without drowning in text. Developers. Coders, meet GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, or even better, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Need a function? Type, create a Python script to sort a list, and it writes it for you. Debugging? It spots errors and suggests fixes. Why not use it for language translation like, convert this Python script to JavaScript and explain the changes? Why Copilot or Gemini? It's built for code, trained on millions of lines from GitHub and other sources, perfect for techies. This list can go on, but the point? We know AI can do this stuff, but too few of us are asking it to. Try it, just once, and see the difference. Now, you would think how to know which AI to use when and what LLM model works the best? Well, that requires understanding of your models, which we will soon cover in another video, so stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss it. Okay, let me give you an awesome hint by the end of this video. Now, let's bring AI home. These are use cases for anyone, no job title needed. Shopping. Buying a new phone? Use Perplexity AI, real-time web data, to alert when a product hits your target price, or compare prices across Amazon, Best Buy, wherever. It'll list options and can even watch for deals if paired with a simple script. Negotiating? It can suggest counteroffers based on market trends, like offer $500. Similar items sold for $520 last month. It's speculative, but it gives you an edge. Maybe, ask, find the lowest price for Sony headphones in the last 6 months and draft a price match request email. Personal organization. Forget birthdays. Claude can remind you and suggest gifts. Your friend loves hiking? Try a lightweight tent. Planning a party? Ask for a theme, menu, and shopping list. It's like a personal planner in your pocket. Think of generating a SOP for childcare, vaccination, and parenting techniques. Don't see the AI giving expected answers. Maybe a better prompt will help. Use it for prompt engineering. Ask it to improve a prompt so you can use it with any AI to get the output you desire. Health and fitness. Want a workout plan? GPT-4 can design one. 30-minute cardio, low impact for beginners. Add dietary needs, and it'll suggest meals like grilled chicken with quinoa. Cooking newbie? It'll give step-by-step recipes based on what you've got. Use ChatGPT for customized plans. Paprika Recipe Manager for grocery lists. Concerned about fitness, ask to create a vegetarian meal plan with 1-800 calories day and a shopping list. Entertainment. Bored? Gemini can recommend shows or books. You like sci-fi? Try Dune. Too busy for a full article? It'll summarize reviews in seconds. Use to make playlist of your favorite content on any OTT subscription you have. Or find the movie you liked long back but are unable to remember the name, but vaguely remember the plot. Travel. Planning a trip? Tell ChatGPT, I want a 3-day beach getaway with some culture, and it'll draft an itinerary. Day 1, beach. Day 2, museum. Pair it with booking tools, and it's seamless. Try asking, plan a 7-day budget-friendly trip to Kyoto focusing on temples and vegan food. Use Google Gemini, integrated with flights/hotels, plus Wanderlog for day-by-day plans. These models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, are accessible online or via apps and mostly for free. We know they can do this, so why aren't we asking more often? Give it a shot. Remember, prompting the right way is also very crucial to get what you are expecting. If you feel you are not getting great responses like you hoped for, maybe it's you who is not being specific and helping the AI to understand your request better. If you want me to make a detailed video on how you should prompt to get better results, let me know in the comments below. We are fast moving in the world of better communications. We need to get better at articulating and conveying our thoughts and intent. Talking with humans, it's not that difficult as we have 93% nonverbal aspects to our communication, including tone and expressions. And most of us have been there at some point to have enough context, but that's not the same with AI. Let's get creative. LLMs shine when you need inspiration or a hand with content. AI art generation tools like Midjourney AI and DALL-E allow individuals to visualize and share their ideas without needing traditional artistic skills. This democratizes creative expression and art, accessible to all. AI tools like these can transform creative ideas into visual storyboards, enabling individuals without artistic skills to produce unique artwork, presentations, mock-ups, website, template designs, typography, character creation, manipulation, you name it. Content creation. Writing a YouTube script? GPT-4 can outline it. 5-minute video on gardening. Intro, tools, tips, wrap-up, and draft sections. Try DeepSeek R1. It's my personal favorite. I used it for this video. Got a presentation? It'll suggest slides and polish your text for impact. Generate curated visuals and infographics, even the best typography and font style suggestion if so you need it. You just need to ask. Idea generation. Stuck on a gift? Claude can brainstorm for a music lover, vinyl records, or concert tickets. Project stalled? Describe it, and AI offers fresh angles, like turning a blog idea into a video series. Brainstorm scripts, visuals, video ideas. Just ask, generate a storyboard for a short film about a robot learning to paint. These tools don't replace your creativity, they close the gap between idea and execution. We know this works, but too many of us aren't tapping in. Just ask, and let it spark something amazing. Before we finish, let's talk responsibility. LLMs are awesome, but they're not flawless, and overusing them can backfire. AI hallucinates sometimes, gives wrong info, so double-check important stuff. Used it for a report? Verify the facts and sources. You are your safety net. More importantly, don't let AI be you. If it writes every email, codes every line, or plans every meal, what's left of your skills? I mean, if AI can do everything you're asked to do, why would anyone need you? Harsh, but worth asking. Use it for grunt work, summaries, drafts, but keep your judgment and expertise sharp. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Ask yourself, am I using AI to enhance my skills or replace them? Could over-reliance make my role redundant? Hit the right balance. Use AI for tedious tasks, but hone critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills machines can't replicate. Ethically, don't claim AI work as 100% yours. That's dishonest. And skip sensitive data in public models. Privacy matters. AI's a partner, not a crutch. Use it to save time, not to lose yourself. Strike that balance, and it'll enhance your life, not run it. So, what's the takeaway? LLMs like GPT-4, Claude, Copilot, DeepSeek, or Gemini can transform how you work, live, and create. From analyzing resumes to planning trips, they're tools we know can help, but we're not using them enough. Maybe you're in denial thinking, AI's not there yet. Maybe it flopped for you years ago. But it's better now, and getting better. Sure, it's not perfect. I'm here to catch its mistakes, but that's no reason to ignore it. Just ask it to help, judge what it gives you, and see the difference. And now it's time for the hint I promised earlier to understand your models better. Pick any one model and try all of the used cases that sparked your curiosity and even those that did not. Then switch to S different model and use it for all those tasks again, maybe on a different day. Slowly, you'll start understanding yourself which AI or model is best for what kind of work. Here's my challenge. This week, pick one task, write an email, plan a meal, debug code, and use an LLM. ChatGPT's free tier is a great start. Try it and tell me how it goes in the comments. I'm dying to hear. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring how tech can make life better. See you next time.